Hi everyone, you are watching Tech Talk Academy, where science and technology come to life. But before we dive into this video, let me introduce myself. Hi once again, my name is Engineer Haman Adam Aliyu. I am a content creator that based here in Nigeria. I created videos related to science, technology, and engineering. And today, I am going to show you how to create a DIY water filter with the common items you may have at home. So, stay focused and find out how it works. And don't forget to stay to the end of this video for secret hacks that may guide you to more science projects. Here is what you will need to get started. First, you need your empty plastic bottle, which is referred as the container. You need a cotton or a clean cloth, and it's one of the necessary tools that is needed for making this DIY water filter. The third thing is that you need a fine sand and a coarse sand, gravels, activated charcoals, a dirty or a colored water. We may use it to find if the experiment is actually correct or not. We'll find it in the end of the video, so stay on with us and stay focused. And the last thing is that we need a cup or a bowl which we can use to collect the clean water. So don't forget to like this video if you want to learn more science project, and let me know down the comment on what project we should work on next. So what are you waiting for? Just come with me. Let's build it together. Step 1. Cut the plastic bottle in half. Step 2. Turn the top half upside down. The third thing is that you put the cotton or the cloth like socks at the bottom. It is required as the first layer. Step 4. Add layer of activated charcoal. It is optional, but it makes it much more better than you think. Step 5. Add a layer of a fine sand, which is the third layer. Step 6. Add a layer of a coarse sand. That's required as fourth layer. And the last thing is that you add a layer of small gravels on top, and don't forget to leave a space of at least 1 inch at the top. Now your filter is ready. Just wait till the end of this video so that I can show you on how to test your filter. So now come with me, let's test our filter. Carefully pour your dirty water at the top of the filter and let it drip bit by bit. So now let's see what happens when we pour the dirty water, and looks the water that comes out, and I think it's much more cleaner at the bottom. This is how basic water filtration works. I hope you learn more in this video. So like this video, each layer removes dirt and small particles. In real water plants, they use bigger machines, but for science, it's the same. What important thing you need to remember is that this DIY project can remove so many impurities but it's not reliable. If you are relying on this for drinking water, like in a survival situation, so the easier thing that you can do is to simply boil the water before using it. My advice is that take it simple, make it memorable and easy to create. My channel represents a good opportunity to put this into practice. So don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like this video, and if there is any question, put them down below the comment. That way, I will do my best to answer them all. Thank you for learning with Tech Talk Academy today.